This is the source water level switch. Place slightly below the middle of the source water tank. This is the pure water level switch, placed in the middle of the pure water tank. The machine will start only when the source water tank is full. And also the machine will stop when the pure water tank is full. Wires are connected, the source water tank is full. New equipment that should flushing first time using. Use your 2 fingers. Press the up and down buttons on the valve head at same time, until the 3rd red light from left to right stop. Press 2nd key, until the 2nd red light stop. It will automatically flushing. We need to wait for 20 minutes until the source water pump stop working. And also there is no water outlet of the pretreatment wastewater port. It is mean the first time flushing is finished. After then we starting the 2nd time flushing. Each tank should be flushed twice. The quartz sand tank flushing 20 minutes each time, total 40 minutes. The carbon filter tank also flushing 20 minutes each time, total 40 minutes. This softener filter tank flushing 60 minutes each time, total 120 minutes. All flushing operation for 3 pretreatments: the quartz sand filter tank, the carbon filter tank, the softener filter tank are the same way. We are flushing 1 tank by 1. It is mean that 1 tank finish 2 times flushing, then to the next. After flushing, first, turn on the raw water pump switch. After turn on the switch, then we walk behind the equipment. This is a precision filter, according to the video. Use one hand to block and the other hand to turn on the switch. Just turn it off as soon as water comes out. Then walk forward equipment and turn on the high pressure pump switch. We need to waiting for the high pressure pump to start. Now, it's starting up. This is before filtering. This is filter.
To adjust the flow control valve. Let these 2 flow meters be on a 1-to-1 horizontal line, or the pure water a little bit higher than the concentrated water. Then we look at these 2 pressure gauges. This raw pressure gauge is adjusted between 0.05 to 0.3 MPa. This is the concentrated water pressure gauge, adjusted between 0.4 to 0.8 megapascals. Assuming that the flow meter is not at the 1-to-1 level. This one is too high. This one is too low. Do we adjust flow control valve? Assuming that the pressure gauge is not within the pressure range. We can adjust it through the pressure regulating valve at behind. Adjust the pressure of the pressure gauge through the pressure regulating valve. This is a pressure regulating valve. By alternating the adjustment, the pressure gauge is adjusted to the specified range. And the flow meter is also within the flow value range. Now this pressure a little bit low, let adjust it through the regulation valve. Do not use the pure water that came out 20 minutes. After that we can drink it.